So we've been working on a very rare group of disorders called leukodystrophies. So leukodystrophies are a genetic disorder that affect the white matter of the brain, and this group of disorders have traditionally been very hard to diagnose, with only 50% of cases ever getting a full diagnosis. Working with an international team of researchers, what we've been able to show is that using cutting-edge genomic approaches, we can increase that diagnosis rate to well over 70%. And this is really important because having a diagnosis is critical for the ongoing treatment of these families. So what we're working on now is trying to develop approaches to diagnose the remaining percentage of cases that we haven't been able to diagnose so far. And so we're working on using whole genome sequencing, so sequencing not just the genes but the gaps between the genes as well, and trying to develop new computational approaches to analyse the DNA sequence to identify difficult to find mutations in the genomes of those patients. This study, along with others in the field, has really demonstrated now that using these genomic approaches can be a really effective way to quickly achieve a diagnosis in this group of diseases. And we and others are now working to get this implemented as a standard part of clinical care in Australia.